Act fast, understanding and responding to stroke symptoms. A stroke is a medical emergency that requires immediate attention. If you suspect that you or someone else is having a stroke, it's crucial to act fast and seek medical help right away. Here are the first steps you should take if you think someone is having a stroke. 1. During a stroke, it is essential to call emergency services and get to the hospital as quickly as possible. 2. If you think someone may be having a stroke, follow these steps: call emergency services, make sure they are in a safe position, check their breathing, talk to them in a calm manner, cover them with a blanket, and observe them closely. 3. The signs of a stroke can range from subtle to severe, and it is crucial to know what to watch for, including face drooping, arm weakness, slurred speech, blurred vision, numbness, headache, dizziness, loss of balance or consciousness, and more. 4. Strokes occur when the blood supply to the brain is interrupted or when there is bleeding in the brain. 5. There are two main types of strokes: ischemic and hemorrhagic. 5. An ischemic stroke occurs when arteries to the brain are blocked by a blood clot, while a hemorrhagic stroke happens when a blood vessel in the brain bursts and bleeds. 6. A transient ischemic attack, or mini-stroke, is a quick event that may be a sign of a more severe stroke. 7. It is crucial to act quickly when experiencing stroke symptoms, as even subtle symptoms can be serious and time is of the essence in terms of treatment. 8. Guidelines from the American Heart Association and American Stroke Association state that clot-busting drugs should be administered within 4.5 hours for the best outcome, and mechanical clot removal can be performed up to 24 hours after the start of stroke symptoms. 9. The risk of disability decreases if treatment is received as soon as possible after the onset of symptoms. 10. To check for warning signs of a stroke, use the FAST acronym: face, arms, speech, time. 11. Don't wait and see if symptoms go away. 11. Take them seriously, as brain cells can start dying quickly. 12. Being informed and prepared is essential in understanding the causes and effects of strokes and responding effectively in the event of a stroke. Share your thoughts and spread the word by sharing and liking the video.